Hey, I'm Matt from KH Camera, and I want to show you this Nikon wide-angle lens. Nikon makes a number of 24mm lenses. Some are designated AI, others AIS, and some are non-AI. Some have metal grips on the focus ring and some have rubber. Some are autofocus, some are manual focus. There's even an f2 version. So which one are we talking about here? This lens is the fully manual Nikkor 24mm f2.8 AIS, which stands for auto indexing. That basically means that it's capable of being controlled by f-mount cameras that have automatic aperture settings. The camera moves a lever on the rear of the lens that will open the lens to the desired aperture. Originally designed in the late 60s, this lens has been very popular through the years because of its size, versatility, and lightweight. This lens was often used by nature photographer Galen Roll, who actually preferred it over the wider aperture f2 version because he felt like this one had less flare. The design of this lens has held up so well over the years that it can actually still be purchased new from Nikon. In fact, the same optical design is used in the Nikon AFD 24mm lens, with a plastic lightweight body and autofocus. But that's enough from me. Let's see what it looks like on video when it's adapted to a Sony a7S III.